How to remove "you may like" suggestions on TikTok. This tutorial shows you how to stop those recommended accounts from showing up. First, open the TikTok app on your Android device. From there, tap Profile at the bottom right. After that, look for the "you may like" section that appears among your followers or following lists. At this point, tap on any account shown there. Following this, tap the three dots at the top right of that profile. From here, look for an option related to "not interested" or "don't recommend this account." At this stage, tap it to dismiss that specific suggestion. Repeating this for each suggested account gradually trains TikTok to show fewer recommendations of that kind. If you'd rather limit this more broadly instead of dismissing them one at a time, there's a setting worth checking too. Following this, tap the three lines at the top right of your profile. From here, tap Settings and Privacy. At this stage, tap Privacy. Following this, look for Suggest your account to others. From here, tap the toggle to turn it off. Keep in mind, this specific toggle controls whether your own account gets suggested to other people, so while it won't stop suggestions on your own feed entirely, dismissing accounts individually remains the most direct way to reduce what shows up for you that way. That's how you remove "you may like" suggestions on TikTok. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!